Dear students, in this video we going to have some ideas on which are the reduced syllabus for 2021 board examination. So let's start from history part. Which are those important lessons for examination and which are the concepts are deleted? First lesson, Advent of Europeans. So in this lesson, Battle of Plassey and Carnatic Wars are totally dropped. Second lesson, expansion of British Empire. So in this lesson, subsidiary alliance and doctrine of lapse concept is totally dropped. Impact of British administration. So in this lesson, land revenue policies and constitutional development dropped. Remaining is important. Next lesson, opposition to British administration in Karnataka. This is for exam. Social and religious reforms. This is for exam. Revolt of 1857, Freedom Movement, Era of Gandhi and National Movement, India after independence, political developments of 20th century. Whole lesson is dropped. Next, political science. From political science, problems of India and solutions. Under this lesson, corporate strategy and terrorism is dropped. Remaining is important. Foreign policy of India relations with other country we have to study. Global problems and India's role. Under this lesson, arms race and economic inequality is not considered for evaluation. Remaining is important. International institutions. So under this lesson, regional cooperation is deleted. Only regional cooperation is deleted. Remaining is important. Sociology part. Social stratification is for exam. Labor. Under labor, paid labor and unpaid labor, it is deleted. Social movements is for exam. Social problems is for exam. Geography section. First lesson is totally dropped. Second lesson, physical divisions of India, climate of India, soils of India, forest, water resource, land resource is for examination. Mineral and power resource, whole lesson is dropped. Transport and communication is for exam. Industries is for exam. From economics part, development is there, rural development is there. Money and credit, whole lesson is dropped. Public finance, whole lesson is dropped. Next, business study. Bank transaction, whole lesson is there. Entrepreneurship, whole lesson dropped. Remember, globalization, whole lesson is dropped. Last one, consumer education. This is for examination. Okay, this is all for board examination 2021, which is announced officially. Thank you for watching.